Ciudad del Este para compras.
Compras.
De todo.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Estoy primera vez aquí. ¿Cuál es la cerveza? Quiero probar algo nueva. Esta aquí es buena. Still not sure where I'm going, but it's where I'm going. Welcome to the travel adventures of Mr. Abroad. In the previous episode, we have crossed the border into Paraguay to the Latin city of the East. Let's go fully explore the diverse neighborhoods and its people. There's also a hidden gem known as Saltos del Monday. It's Paraguay's version of Iguassu Falls. Let's begin our walking tour throughout this city. Hola, hola, hello. Bienvenidos a todos. Welcome to another part of the video. Here we are in another neighborhood. It's called Area 4. Area 4. Just north of Franco, the neighborhood Franco. Oh yeah, that's what it looks like. Yes. That's so few people. Look at that. Herbs, spices, bicycles, buses. Very unique here. So this is a tour of the neighborhood Catedral, and it's short distance walk to Centro. 10-minute walk, I'd say maybe 500, 600 meters, and it's a quiet neighborhood because I'm on a Monday, and looks like just housing and very few restaurants, so it's not the commercial area at all. It's much quieter than the center, much calmer, and yeah, that's what it looks like. So it looks like a school over there, and yeah, it's home apartments, and that's what it is in the daytime and the afternoon. Made so loud. Look at this house. Another beauty. It's entirely orange, dark red, dark orange. Oh, someone's praying over there. I asked for directions which store I can buy a prepaid card for a phone, and that wasn't the right way. I see stores there, so maybe that's the right way. Oh, I see some food here. Barbacoa. Hola, buenas tardes. ¿Cómo está? Si vienes aquí, ¿cuánto cuesta la comida?
3 por 10.
3 por 10, ok. Tiene aquí, son... ainda no son listos, ¿no? Está, ok. Es frango y chorizo.
Este todavía no está.
Ok. Bueno, voy a pasar de nuevo, gracias. That food wasn't ready. Only one stick was ready, and he said it's 3 for 10, so it's a good deal, but the food's not ready. That's good, and they run me over. So we have a church here, since almost all Paraguayans are Catholic. I guess there'll be many churches, or at least Catholic churches. But I did see a mosque on the way, so Ciudad del Este has Arabic people, Lebanese. I saw some Lebanese restaurants. Hello, what's up? Welcome to another neighborhood in Ciudad del Este. This neighborhood is called Bernardino Caballero. Bernardino Caballero looks like this. Weird mixed neighborhood with some mixed streets of cobblestones and asphalt and mixed houses. So looks like there's some variety here, and let's check it out. Estoy primera vez aquí. ¿Cuál es la cerveza? Quiero probar algo nueva. Esa de aquí
La pinza.
es buena. Es buena. ¿Cuál es tu favorito?
El mío.
Cerveza. ¿Cuál es? Pilsner.
La pinza.
Ah, ok. ¿Cuánto es? No sé.
Está 3 por 10. Mira.
Ah, no sé.
Después tengo esta.
Ah, Pilsner.
Es la
ok.
misma marca, solo que es pura malta.
Ok, una esa, entonces, ¿cuánto es?
4.000 cada uno.
Ok, una entonces. 4.000. Y 4.000. Gracias.
Gracias tú.
There we go. Pilsner. Pure malt. Let's compare it to other beer. It is, it says Paraguay, Producto Paraguay right there. Producto Paraguay, 5% alcohol. So, just one beer for the flavor. Yeah. Let's try it. Oh, I guess I should mention what it tastes like. It's malt extra, 14.5 IBU. It's not bitter at all. It's good flavor. Tastes normal, like normal beer. Alright, Wow, there's a security guard right there with. I don't think he's armed. He just has a baton and a walkie-talkie. Still not sure where I'm going, but it's where I'm going. My beer. She's got some hamburgers right there. Wow, look at this biodiversity of the tree. It's got some plants on there. It's got some round things there. I don't know what's growing. What the heck? This guy's got a rifle. Oh, he's got a rifle over here. He's shooting some birds. Ooh. So if I go this way, oh yeah, that's just a BB rifle. So this is the Plaza Bernardino Caballero right here. Check it out. What it looks like. Hola, buenas tardes. Okay, well, these people are playing some volleyball. I'm gonna throw out this can now. Yeah. Let's see how they play. Got 2 courts of volleyball. I guess trash goes anywhere. I don't want to throw this anywhere though. I want to put it in the regular trash bin. Ooh. Oh, dogs are fighting. Look at that. What are they doing? So they got, look at that, they got Fuchi volley over here. Adopted the Brazilian sport over here in Paraguay. They can play. Look at that. They know what they're doing. Oh, he missed that shot. Ooh. Let me get back. So what's up? This is still the Vallejo, the neighborhood. Bernardino something. Forgot the name, Bernardino. And this looks like the most developed area. So I've been walking for like around 10 blocks around here. And this is like a paved street, one of the paved streets. There's some unpaved streets, but I'm walking now the most developed area for this neighborhood. Sure, there are better neighborhoods or bigger neighborhoods. This neighborhood is south of center, 10 minutes south, maybe 10-15 kilometers. No, maybe just like 10 kilometers, can't be more than that. And yeah, that's what it is like walking here. I grabbed some M&Ms, Paraguayan M&Ms called rocklets. Mani means peanuts. As you can see, it looks just like an M&M. Can you see it? M&M. Tastes exactly like M&Ms. Okay, let's go back. Kind of looks like the Wild Wild West. Someone said that online. Someone wrote in a review. That's like the Wild Wild West. Buenas noches. Ooh. Look, they got little casino games. Baby casinos.
Welcome to Saltos del Monday in Ciudad del Este. This is Paraguay, and this is 15 minutes south of downtown Centro, Ciudad del Este. And for foreigners, it's $12 to enter, and you get this beautiful view on a cloudy day.
Hola, ¿está cerrado?
Sí, está cerrado.
okay.
Ah, ok. Gracias.
Gracias.
Laura, vamos.
The restaurant's closed on a Sunday. Yeah, it's closed. Maybe because of the weather. I don't know. Or maybe because it's already after 4. According to that map, there should be 2 lookout sites. So we saw the first one. Now we're looking for the second one. ¿Hay otro mirante? ¿O no? No hay nada. Solamente obra.
Estamos buscando esa escalera que... Otra. Como no sé
Otra casa.
En realidad,
Porque dice que es bien hacia allá, parece.
sí, yo no sé, yo creo si se entra por allá o porque yo no encontré acá tampoco.
Porque acá ya ahí hay la cerca, ¿verdad? Y hacia allá no hay como ir. A no ser de que por el camino se va y es otro lugar.
¿Será que por abajo no tiene paso ahí?
No, por abajo no hay, no hay.
Later we walked through that had a way to go down because of the weather. They turned off the elevator, and the people that were there bought tickets in advance. Look at that. I feel like a kid. I feel like a mischievous kid going somewhere where I shouldn't be. Going down into... Oh, there you go. Yeah, this goes down. Nothing there. Not much there. Weird why they would just have this out here. And I don't know what's gonna be here. That's the end of it. It's the secret path of bricks behind the Saltos del Monday. Okay, interesante. Nada es restrictado. Se llama Poncho. Sí. Oh. Hola. Wow. ¿Cuántos años tiene?
40.
¿Serio? Sí. 40. Wow. Pancho. Hola, ¿cómo está? So this is downtown Ciudad del Este. Empty and very quiet. People say it's dangerous, but there's nobody here. Except some motorbikes and cars back there. Oh, some people are walking. Here we go. This must be it. This is the bus station over here. You have the, looks like what, 5, 6 companies. Eto, NSC. There you go, Asuncion. So to go to Asuncion from Ciudad del Este, it's 8:20, 1:20, and 6:20. Okay, so I can go in the morning, that's good. And that one, another time there. 2:40, all that. Yes, there we go. Let's go inside, shall we? So this is a tour of the bus station in Ciudad del Este. I don't think anyone has done a video on this, so I'm doing a video for you. What it looks like if you want to go to other parts of Paraguay. I got a restaurant over here. Bon appetit. Let's see how much the prices are. Okay, so that's not going to Asuncion. Not that one. How about that one? That one's going to Asuncion. Asuncion.
Asuncion?
Sí. Okay. So over there is another bus. So far 3 buses go. 3 bus companies go there for 80,000 guaranis. He said he can sell to me for 70. Yeah, so that guy, that one of those, and that guy, the red of San Luis. So I have to do some research to see if they're all the same quality or one's better than another. But so far they said the buses are the same, like semi-cama, so they have the reclining chairs. That one's going to Buenos Aires and Sao Paulo. Asuncion. Hola. Buenos días. ¿Cuánto cuesta para Asuncion?
Está 80.000 guaraníes hasta Asuncion.
Ok, ¿y horarios?
Tenemos las 10 y 20 de la mañana, 2 y 40, 3 y 20, 4 y media a las 5.
Bueno, gracias. Hola, buenos días. ¿Cuánto cuesta para Asuncion?
Semicama está 100.000 y coche cama está 120.
¿Qué cama?
Coche cama.
Coche cama
120.000.
es mejor.
Es el mejor.
Mejor. Bueno, entonces.
Directo. Esta señora.
Dura 5. ¿Cuánto tiempo dura?
De día 5 horas y media y de noche 5 horas.
¿Es directo o tiene
Directo.
Okay. Bueno, gracias. So this company has 120,000 guaranis. It's a better seat. So I might go that route. Prefer the better quality seat if it's 5 hours, 5.5 hours direct. And here's some more stores. So NSA, Nuestra Señora de la Asunción, is probably the better. And this is where you enter. Aquí se entra. Allá se compra boletos. Y yeah, that's tudo. That's the Asuncion. That's the bus station.
Conductor.
Bueno, the driver is here. And hablas inglés?
¿No? Español y
Portugués.
Muchos brasileños vienen aquí.
Muchísimo.
¿Usted conoce Asuncion?
Sí, ahí tienen que probar todos los menús.
Es
Comida.
Sí, mejor comida.
De noche, donde tú sales, donde tú vas a encontrar algo
sí.
que comer, pero
Riquísimo.
Mejor aquí. Es
Sí, sí.
más interesante aquí o aquí.
¿Perdón?
¿Más interesante Asuncion o Ciudad del Este?
Ciudad del Este para compra,
Compras.
de todo.
Asuncion no tiene compras como
Tiene
aquí.
también, pero
Es
más
más.
es, ¿cómo le digo? Gastronomía.
Okay. Qué bueno.
Eso lo pide.
He said the food is really good in Asuncion, but here is better for shopping. So I'm in the bus right now and going to Asuncion, and this is the NSA company for the bus. And look at this Wi-Fi. The internet speed. Really, that is pretty good for the bus. Upload speed, what? Look, I'm only connected to Wi-Fi. We have ventured throughout Ciudad del Este and seen the nature it has to offer. Do not fear traveling here, as many locals are kind and friendly. In the next episode, we will continue our journey into Asuncion and discover the culture, including traditional folk dances and the modern nightlife scene.